Thank you for meeting with me today.
Of course, dear Frances. Always happy to talk with you. What's on your mind?
I'd like to discuss my salary. I've been with the company for 3 years now, and lately I've been handling more responsibilities, especially leading to the marketing project.
Yes, I've noticed your work. You did well with both campaigns, especially the last one. The client was really impressed.
Thank you, that means a lot. I've also been mentoring to new team members, which is added to my workload, but I'm happy to help them grow.
That's great to hear. Mentoring takes time, and we appreciate that you're taking initiative. It's exactly the kind of leadership we like to see.
I want to continue growing here and eventually take on one or more senior role. That's why I feel it's the right time to talk about my compensation.
Absolutely. Do you have a specific adjustment in mind?
Yes, I was thinking of a 15% raise. I believe it reflects the additional responsibilities I've taken up.
I understand where you're coming from. You've added a lot of value. They said 15% is a bit beyond our current budget limits, but we do want to recognize your performance.
I understand. I'm open to discussion. What will be realistic from your side?
We could offer a 10% rise starting next month. Along with that, we'd like to enroll you in our leadership training program. It focuses on strategic planning, team management, and communication.
That sounds great. I've been looking for opportunity to grow my leadership skill.
Perfect. And let's also schedule a performance review 6 months from now. If progress continues, we can discuss another rise or even a role change.
That's a fair approach. I really appreciate the support and the opportunity.
You've earned it. Your work has made a real impact, and we want you to stay motivated and feel valued.
Thank you, Mr. Jaffer. I'm committed to continuing to grow and contribute even more.
Glad to hear it. I send you the updated salary details and the training plan by the end of the week.
Sounds good. Thanks again for taking the time to talk this talk with me.
Anytime, your references. Keep up the great work. The team's lucky to have you.